Yeah, I think I'm gonna take PBO's
Okay.
advice, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the. You said AWS associate. Let me see if my notes.
That's what I think that's what they got. That's the I think
Associate
that's
architect.
yeah, because they got an associate and a professional.
Oh,
Yeah, they
okay,
got two. Yeah, so I got the social. I was studying for the professional. So yeah, so they got different tracks.
okay. Yeah, I'm
So take the
definitely gonna do
associate.
this.
Yeah, take the associate. Take the practitioner, associate architect, and take the security specialty.
Okay, we'll do for
That'll
sure.
be it. And the cool thing is the associate architect school. It teaches you at a high level, but when you go into companies, they don't talk about AWS organization, AWS landing. Those are professional terms. When you do it for real, you're gonna need some few more services that they don't even talk about in the associate architect.
You gotta unlearn some
Yeah.
stuff.
You got to think it from a management perspective. For me, that's because I'm a tech guy, right? So I grew up in the trenches, so that's a little
And
different.
another thing is like I'll be reading the question, I'm like, I'm so frustrated because I'm like, this answer depends on more information. Like, how can I answer this
Yeah, I
question?
struggle with that because I
That's
was
the
doing
thing
a
I
test
hate the
bank.
most.
Yeah, I was doing a test bank. I'm like, I need some more. So I start writing the test guys. I'm like, hey man, what y'all got some more info?
Yeah.
But I'm thinking, okay, is the test like this, and they not gonna give you everything you need?